AI is creating millions of jobs, and not just for the techies. In fact, many of these new roles are non-technical and come with seriously impressive salaries. Jobs that didn't even exist a few years ago are now some of the hottest jobs in the market. If you've been worrying that AI might take your jobs, well, you're not alone. Stick with me and let's focus on the opportunities instead, and not only ride this AI wave, but come out better off. By the end of this video, you will know the hottest AI-driven careers for techies and non-techies, where to learn the skills, and what kind of pay you can expect. Firstly, let's quickly look at some predictions to get a clearer picture and overview on this. So, the World Economic Forum originally predicted that AI would create 97 million jobs by 2025, and it's fallen short. And recent analysis and reports are now predicting that AI-driven automation will displace 92 million jobs, while creating 170 million new roles by 2030. But truthfully though, it's all guesswork. There's a lot of skepticism around these figures, conflicting reports and different opinions on this. But the point is, there are more jobs being created than displaced, and there are a lot of new jobs out there today and coming. So we'll look at where you can learn AI skills, the AI jobs for non-techies. But first, we're going to kick off with the top 5 hottest AI-driven jobs. In at number 1, generative AI engineer, and this is in industries including tech, media and design, and the salary is typically around $120,000 to $160,000 per year. What do? They build AI models like ChatGPT that generate images, text and music. And the skills needed for this is AI frameworks, creativity and coding. Next up, AI ethicist. And this is typically in tech and consulting, and the salaries are around $90,000 to $140,000 per year. And they ensure that AI is used responsibly, avoiding bias and privacy issues. The skills needed: ethics, of course, philosophy, law, and some knowledge of AI systems. AI trainer. No tech background needed for this one. This is in industries like education and startups, and a salary for this can be up to $120,000 per year. And they essentially train AI models by labeling data, correcting AI mistakes, and improving performance. And skills needed for this: communication, pattern recognition, and industry-specific expertise. So it would depend on the company and the industry for this one. At number 4, AI-powered content creator, and of course that's in marketing and entertainment, and this can pay up to around $100,000 per year. And they use AI tools to create videos, graphics and campaigns faster and more efficiently. So I work in advertising, and so this is a very generalist role, someone who can literally do videos and graphics and the music and all the different elements that are required. And the skills needed for this one: storytelling, of course, social media, and AI content tools. And there are loads of AI content tools out there, and a lot of which are free too. In at 5, NLP, natural language processing engineer. And this is in tech and customer service. And the salary for this is up to $140,000 per year. And they build AI chatbots, virtual assistants and voice recognition systems. And the skills for this are machine learning, linguistics and NLP libraries. And the highest paying AI job, I hear you ask? Stick around for that one. That's coming up in the non-techie section. Without further ado, AI jobs for non-techies. You do not need to be a coder to get into AI. With some minimal upskilling, you could be well on your way. So first up, we have AI-powered marketing specialist, and this is in marketing, of course, advertising and tech. Salary for this is up to around $120,000 per year. What do? They leverage AI-driven tools to optimize digital marketing campaigns, analyze customer data, and create automated content. And the skills needed: digital marketing knowledge, AI analytics tools, SEO expertise, and creative strategy. Then we have AI-assisted recruiter, and this is in HR, recruitment, and business services. And this salary is up to $110,000 per year. And they use AI-driven hiring tools to analyze resumes, match candidates with the right roles, and just to streamline that recruitment process. And skills needed for this are HR experience, familiarity with AI recruiting software, people assessment skills, and data analysis knowledge. And finally, AI prompt engineer. And this is in tech, content, and AI tools. And the salary for this one is up to $200,000 per year. Yes, really. What do? They craft precise and effective prompts for AI models to generate better responses, improving the quality of AI-generated content. And so skills needed with this are strong language skills, creativity, AI model understanding, and experience with tools like Midjourney and ChatGPT. So AI isn't just for programmers and coders, it's for marketeers, designers, teachers, recruiters. And just with a little bit of upskilling, AI can supercharge your existing job in powerful and creative ways. Why not open up ChatGPT after this and have a conversation about how you could potentially transform your job? And up next, I'm going to show you where you can get started with upskilling. So where can you learn AI skills? There's some really good free resources out there. Google AI is probably one of the top ones, and they provide a range of AI learning resources for both beginner and advanced learners as well. Microsoft's AI for Beginners offers a 12-week course, and that explores various aspects of AI and provides practical lessons and labs. Kaggle is another one that's known for its community-driven learning resources, and it allows learners to apply skills to real-world scenarios as well. And there's lots and lots of online platforms popping up now. There's quite a lot. So here's a few recommendations. Coursera, they are a real big one, and they're offering a lot of different courses on this, are really high-rated courses. So there's AI for everyone, which is ideal for beginners, and it's a very kind of non-technical overview of AI. They also have Google AI Essentials on here as well, and this has had over 900,000 enrollments last year, and it's one of the most popular courses online. Introduction to large language models like Google Cloud is also on Coursera, and NVIDIA also have an AI infrastructure and operations fundamentals on here as well. So Coursera is a really good one. It's got a lot of different courses on there. Udacity provides the Artificial Intelligence Nano degree, and this covers foundational AI concepts, so you get a good kind of overview on that. DataCamp specializes in data science and AI education and offers interactive courses that emphasize coding and practical applications. Fast.ai provides practical deep learning courses for coders and focuses on hands-on experience. And Coursebox.ai is an AI-powered platform that allows users to create custom courses from various different content sources, and it offers much more flexibility and efficiency for upskilling as well, which is great. And if you want a certification, Google AI and IBM AI Foundations offer those. Also, check your on-the-job training, because many companies are now offering employees AI training and courses, so it's worth looking into that. If you want to get a head start or you don't know where to start, Try just having a play around with some AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, Airtable, Canva, Descript. They are super beginner friendly and fun as well. And I'll be sure to pop links for everything that I've mentioned in the description below in case you've missed anything, because there's quite a lot of information here. So AI is changing the job market, but it's also opening up doors and opportunity. Can you upskill, pivot? Will you stick or twist? If you want to know what industries and jobs are most at risk, check out this video. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more simple, real-world AI insights. I'm Lisa, thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.